So guys, in the before video, we just opened the Byju'S unboxing kit, right? So now today I just got a book. My grade 4th standard, a set of 9 books, guys. Let's open it. Okay, I love unboxing. Why doesn't this come out? Yeah, guys. So I'm nearly there to all of them. Yeah, guys, so I just removed it. Oh wow, that's a big one. Let's just keep it aside. So guys, there's a tape over here. Let me just do that tape. So guys, I just opened it and let's check out. Oh wow, guys. It's too big to remove that. Oh goodness, guys, check it out. Oh, let's check it out. What's there inside that, Danush? Actually, doesn't need this. It's just that. Okay, guys. So these are the books which I have. Oh, yeah. Hold that. Wow. Oh, guys. It's too hard. Let's just open it out and check it out. What's inside. So, guys, I just opened it and let's check what's inside. Okay, guys. All are like most important concepts in maths. Okay. Guys, check it out. Oh, and that too, the quality. Guys, the quality of the book is so good. I love it. And let's just check out what's inside here. Hey, guys, look out. It's like some comic book or something. Okay, guys. So almost everything is same, guys. There's a lot more unpackaging to do this. So guys, that's it. And there are wall 3. This is wall 1, guys. Guys, this is volume 1 and this is volume 3. And this is volume 2 and volume 4. Guys, see, volume 4. Yeah. So guys, I just got 4 volumes of maths and 4 volumes of science, guys. My favorite is the science, guys. So guys, bye and see you in the next video. In the next video, we will be showing you the contents inside the tab, guys. Content inside the tab, guys. See you next time. Bye.